Happening right now, another blast of snow and ice slamming the Midwest and Ohio Valley and taking aim to the East Coast. After 8 major winter storms in 7 weeks, this is number 9, and it could bring another half-foot or more of fresh snow.
This latest winter blast is again causing travel headaches, from airline delays to impassable roads and massive pileups, like this one in Michigan involving at least 15 tractor trailers. Many roads are still buried under inches of ice as communities across the nation are running critically low on road salt.
When it's so cold that it's been this year, that the salt that it takes to burn down something cold takes 2 to 3 times more, because salt's really only active to about 15 or 20 degrees.
And fresh worries for homes, that snow piling up on rooftops causing ice dam.
When the snow continues to melt, those ice dams are going to get bigger, and as that snow that continues to melt doesn't have anywhere to go anymore, and it actually doesn't freeze, it pools above the ice dam like a river dam, and then it actually seeps underneath the shingles through the tar paper and into people's homes.
And it's not just leakage. That heavy, wet snow is collapsing the roofs of homes and even entire shopping malls, like this one in Monroe Township, New Jersey. The same at this warehouse in Somerville, New Jersey, and this entire building at a Bible camp in Michigan. But the concern, not just with the roofs.
If you don't have the adequate drainage away from your home, it could cause some cracking in your foundations.
This latest storm is adding to an already chart-topping winter. It is the snowiest on record in Indianapolis. And in New York Central Park, the snow is 300% above average, over a foot more snow than in Anchorage, Alaska.
So I know we're all ready for a warm-up, but it is not all good news when that snow starts to melt.
Yeah, flood warnings are going up. We're going to get the very latest right now from AccuWeather and meteorologist Jim Dickey. Good morning, Jim.
Good morning, John and Marcy. Tracking yet another storm system. Our storm train not ending here. Snow-weary northeast New England. Another round on tap here as the storm spreads to the coast. When it does, it's going to strengthen offshore, as has been the case for the past couple of storms, bringing a burst of snow as we had today along the I-95 corridor. Roadways will be dangerous in many locations. Watch out for some near whiteout conditions. And now, as far as accumulations are concerned, 3 to 6 inches spreading out of the Great Lakes all the way into the northeast New England here as we head through the day. But from here, conditions improving. The jet stream lifts back northward. That'll bring a bit of a warm up here across much of the country as we head through the end of the week. Unfortunately, looks short-lived. The cold will be returning as we head through the rest of the month. John and Marcy, back to you.